Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you capture $100 move using simple retest trading strategy. Gold moved almost $100 in just 7 days. Like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel to get more such strategy. So let's start this video. Let's figure out where sellers are most active and points those selling area. Now let's draw a trend line and wait for breakout. Once gold break this trend line, then wait for retest that same trend line. Once retest done, then don't forget to check Fibonacci level. Fibonacci plays major role in our retest setup. So once after retest, we will check if current retest level is above 0.6 Fibonacci level or not. If it's above 0.6 level, then we can plan for buy side, and as always stop loss will be below trend line. So this setup has multiple benefits. Number 1, high profit. Number 2, minor stop loss. Also, this will avoid overtrading if we check breakout and retest and Fibonacci level. And you guys see, once after retest, gold just shoot up to $100 from where we enter to this trade. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share.